Hi, my name is Tim, and these are my trains. Today, I would like to introduce you to the channel by giving you a quick overview and tour of the layout, as well as what the future plans are for the layout and the videos on this channel. The first section of the layout is what I will call the yards. It's pretty generic right now, nothing special, just green and flat. However, I can run 4 trains at once. There are 3 loops of HO track and 1 loop of American Flyer S-gauge track. Here is a better view of what's going on. The section in the corner is the first portion of expansion to the layout. It will have a forest theme, which will allow me to have logging operations and a place to put my HO sawmills. If I am able to acquire an American Flyer sawmill or log loader, they will go there. Now the next 2 sections of the layout don't exist yet, but I want to give you a taste of what it will be like in the future. As the layout is expanded to the left, it will be an urban area featuring a town or city of some kind. Finally, the third and last expansion will come out from the wall in kind of a big horseshoe to complete the layout. This area will probably be hills or mountains, depending on how the space works out. I may even put the Petticoat Junction there as well. But enough of me talking. Let's run some trains. Each of my future episodes will be about featuring one of the pieces of my existing collection and giving the history that I know about it, as well as what makes each piece special or unique. I also plan to do some unboxing videos as I collect items. There will also be videos about some of my own train restorations and how I went about it. A lot of the trains I collect are very old and could be considered antiques, hence the name of this channel. Many of them require significant work to bring to operating condition. Each of these videos takes a lot of time to make, and that is on top of working a full-time job and being a homeowner, which leaves very little time during the week to put these together. But when I am able to upload videos, I do hope you enjoy them as much as I do. So until next time, thank you for watching.